Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to create the header section. Before we do that, we need to analyze it well and know how we are going to structure it. The header section over here comprises of the menu bar, the site logo, the search inputs, the search icon, the upload icon, the menu bar, the notification icon, and the profile icon. In design, anything in proximity is being categorized as group. So realize that the site menu and the site logo over here will be inside one group or one component. The search input and the search icon will also be inside one component or one div. And also these icons over here will also be inside one component or one div. So that is the logic that we are going to implement. Download the resource file in this video description in order to follow along. So over here, just write a favorite icon. So there is it, then click on it. Then over here, you need to look at where the path of the favorite icon is being located. So realize that it's inside the assets, then favorite icon, then this is the icon name, favorite icon.ico. So over here will be assets slash favorite icon slash icon slash favorite icon. So there is it. So now save it. So now, in order for us to view it, we need to copy it. So copy it from here, open it in a new tab, then paste it here. So as you can see over here, so this is the icon. As you can see over here, there is it, and this is the title over here. So the title over here is being displayed here. Okay. So the next thing that we need to work on is to structure it. So over here, this one over here is the header section. So the header section over here will house the site menu, the site logo, the search input, and the rest of the icons. So over here will be header. Then inside the header section, inside it, this header section over here will give it a class of global dash header. It's up to you the name of the class that you want to give it. I'm giving it global header. Then inside it, these ones over here are just links. So I'll put everything over here inside a nav, that's navigation. So over here will be nav. Then over here I'll give it a class of so the class name that I'll give it to it is YT, that's YouTube dash nav. And over here, so let's make it YT dash header. That's the naming convention that I'm using. Okay. Then inside it, we have this one over here. So this is the site menu, and this is the YouTube icon. So I'll put it inside a div. So over here will be div. Then over here, I'll give it a class. So the name of the class over here will be nav dash left. So this one will be YT dash nav dash left. Then inside it, we have two icons. So go to your images, the images folder. You will find an icon called menu.svg, which is this one. So what you need to do is just copy it from here, go to index.html, just paste it here. Okay. And the next one is a site logo. So over here, the site logo will be an image, so we are using an image tag. And this one over here, the SRC, the source, where is the image located? So the image is inside the assets slash images slash youtube.svg. And this one over here, the SRC over here, if the image failed to display, then over here, this one over here will be the description of what the image is about. So this one will be YouTube logo or YouTube site logo. It's up to you, the description that you are giving to it. As you can see, the image is here, youtube.svg. As you can see, that's the file. So now we need to save it so that we can preview it. So Ctrl S. Now go to your browser, just refresh it. Okay, correct. So now the next thing I want us to work on is this one. So it will be inside this yt-nav, but outside this one. So over here will be a div again. The class name is yt-nav-center, or you can call it middle. Since it's over, you can call it middle, but I'm calling it center. Okay. Then over here, we also have another div. So we have div. Then the class name over here will be search, yt-search-box. Then inside this is our input. So this one will be our input. The type over here is a text. We don't need this one, so remove it. Then over here we'll give it a class of yt-search-input. Then over here will be placeholder, will be search, then dot. Okay. Then below the input element, we also have another image, that's the search icon. So this one over here will be our image. So to save time, just copy this one from here and paste it here. Okay. So this one over here will be search.png. Search.png. Then over here will be search icon. Okay. So now this is what we have. So the next thing I want us to work on is the right section, that's this one. So outside this one, but inside this one, so we have another div with a class of yt-nav-right. Then why we have 4 images. So copy this one from here. So why just paste it here. Okay. And so paste it here for 4 more times. That's this one. So now, so let's change the SRC. So the first one is upload. So this one will be upload. So the alt over here will be upload. This one over here will be more. So this one over here will be more. Then we also have notification. So this one will be notification icon. Then we have profile dot jpg, and this one over here you can call it profile or the username, the user profile. So I'll call it profile icon. Okay, so don't forget to save it. So now go to your browser, just refresh it. Easy. Okay, as you can see, this is what we are having now. So everything is looking nice.